Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, class 10, exercise number 1, problem number 1. In the previous video, we have seen finding the HCF by using Euclid algorithm. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problems, that is finding the HCF by using Euclid algorithm. Exercise 1.1, first problem. Use Euclid's algorithm to find the HCF of first one 900 and 270, second one 196 and 38,220, third one 1651 and 2032. So for these three problems we need to use Euclid's algorithm and we need to find the HCF. Now first problem is 900 and 270. So for this problem we need to find HCF using Euclid's algorithm. Now solution, the given positive integer are what that one 900 and 270. So in this 900 and 270, which is greater? 900 is greater. So 900 is greater than 270. Now we need to apply Euclid's algorithm. By applying Euclid's algorithm, we get what we get. Once you have to observe here, you can divide 900 with 270. 270 3s are 810. 900 minus 810 is 90. Here this 3 is the quotient, 90 is the remainder, this is the divisor, and 900 is the dividend. So already we know what is division algorithm. A equal B cube plus R. This model we need to write. Means what we are getting, we can get 900 equal 270 into 3. 270 into 3 plus 90. Remainder is 90. Now once you have to check the remainder. So it is 0 or not. It is not the 0. Means here R not equal 0. R not equal 0 means we need to take divisor and remainder now we need to take. Now consider the divisor of 270 with the remainder 90. So here divisor is 270, remainder is 90. So we need to apply Euclid's algorithm. Again apply Euclid's algorithm. So for these two numbers 270 and 90. So 270 and 90 we are using using Euclid's algorithm means 270 divided with 90. 90 1 is 90, 92 is 180, 93 is 270. So 3 is 270. We are getting remainder is 0. So now you can A equal BQ plus R tag we need to write. So 270 equal 90 into 3 plus 0. 90 means this is the divisor. Remainder, once we need to observe the remainder. So R equal we got the 0. R equal we got the 0 means the divisor 90 is the HCF of 900 and 270. So the divisor 90 is the HCF of 900 and 270. So it is very clear. It is easy problem for 2 marks. Okay, next problem, that is now second one, that is 196 and 38,220. Second one is 196 and 38,220. So we need to find the HCF of these two numbers using Euclid's algorithm. So now you can take the given two positive integers. What here given? 196 and 38,220 it is given. These two numbers are given, 196 and 38,290. In these two numbers, which one is greater? That is 38,220 is the greater number. So 38,220 greater than 196. Now we need to apply the Euclid's algorithm. By applying Euclid's algorithm, what we are getting? We get, so 38,000, once you have to, you can take the division, 38,220 with 196. 196 ones are 196. 196 twos are ones, you have to check it. 392. 196 into 2 is 392. It is not possible. Means ones are only. 196 ones are 196. Here subtracting means 12 minus 6 is 6. Here now 7. 7 means this is 17. 17 minus 9, 8. And 2 minus 1 is 1. This number 2 as it is. Now 196 with 9 we can take. 196 with 9 is 1764 we are getting. That equal 12. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. Here borrowing means 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. And here 7. 7 minus 7 0. And 1 minus 1 0. This last term, that is 90. So 196 with 5 you have to do. 196 with 5 means that is 980 we are getting. 195 means 196 into 5 is 980. So now you can apply 38,220 equal, divisor is 196 and coefficient is 195 plus remainder is 0. So here once you can see, what is the remainder? Remainder we got the 0 only now. So here R equal to 0. Here R equal to 0 means the divisor. What is the divisor? 196 is the divisor. The divisor is the HCF of the two numbers. Therefore, the divisor 196 is the HCF of 196 and 38,220. Therefore, the HCF equal 196. So it is very clear and very easy process only. If you are concentrating upon how we are following, if you are concentrating, you are getting in easy way, you are understanding in easy way. Now next one it is, now third one, that is 1651 and 2032. The third problem is 1651 and 2032. Dear students, if you are watching first time of my video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more latest updates. Now we are going to our topic, that is finding the HCF of 1651 and 2032. So we need to use Euclid's algorithm and we need to find the HCF. Now we can take the given two numbers, two positive numbers, the given two positive numbers. What it is given? 1651 and 2032. So in these two numbers, which one is greater? 2032 is greater. So 2032 is greater than 1651. Now we need to apply the Euclid's algorithm. By applying Euclid's algorithm, so we are applying means what we are getting, once you have to take the rough work, 2032 divided by 1651. So 1651 ones are 1651. Now we need to subtract 1. Here 13 minus 5 is 8. Here borrowing means here 9 minus 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. So here we got the remainder is 381 and coefficient is 1. Now you can take, apply 2032 equal 1651 into 1 plus remainder is 381. So 381 means it is not equal to the 0. So here R not equal 0. R not equal 0 means again we need to take the divisor with remainder we need to take. Now consider the divisor. So how much here divisor is? 1651 with the remainder is 381. So divisor is 1651 and remainder is 381. Again apply, we need to apply the Euclid's algorithm. Again apply Euclid's algorithm. So now we need to apply for these two numbers, the divisor and the remainder we need to apply. That numbers are 1651 and 381. Now we can take the rough work. 1651 divides with 381. 381, 4 the ones we have to check. 4 on the 4, 32, 12, 15 means 4 the 1524. Subtract 7 and here 2, 1. So 1651 equal, divisor is 381, coefficient we got it 4 and remainder 127. Again once you have to check here R value is 0 or not equal to 0. here R value we are checking means it is not equal 0. R value we got it here 127. Now again we need to take this divisor 381 and remainder 127 we need to take. Again consider the divisor 381 with the remainder how much remainder here? Remainder is 127. So now by applying Euclid's algorithm, so we are applying Euclid's algorithm means what we are getting, once you have to check it. 381 divided by 127. 127 3s are, you can check it. 3 7s are 21, 3 2 6, 8, 3 1 are 3. Means 3s are 381. So you can apply the division algorithm, Euclid's algorithm. A equal to B Q plus R. A, B, Q and this remainder R. So A equal 381 equal 127 into 3 plus 0. So again we need to check the remainder. So what we got the remainder here? Here R equal to 0. R equal to 0 means the divisor is the HCF of the two numbers. Therefore, the divisor 127 is the HCF of 1651 and 2032. Therefore, the HCF equal 127. These problems are short type of answer questions. So it is very easy to learn. So step by step we are following means we are getting the answers. How I followed the steps, you can observe once, you can do some more examples. So it is very important for board exam also. We have seen how to find the HCF by using Euclid's algorithm. In the next video, we will see about division algorithm upon the problems. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.